In this video, I'm going to go through the solution to question 26 from the 2025 Australian Math Competition Senior Paper. In the polynomial p of x, which is ax to the fifth plus bx to the fourth plus cx cubed plus dx squared plus ex plus f, the coefficients a, b, c, d, e, and f are either 1 or -1. It is known that p of 2 equals 11. What is p of 4 equal to? So because p of 2 equals 11, I'm just going to substitute that into the given equation, which is a by 2 to the fifth plus b by 2 to the fourth plus c by 2 cubed plus d by 2 squared plus e times 2 plus f. And that's 32a plus 16b plus 8c plus 4d plus 2e plus f is equal to 11. Let's see if we can work out what these coefficients are based on that. We're given this equals to 11. What's important is that the coefficients are all equal to 1 or -1, so there's only two cases, so basically we can guess it's a 50-50. So, what is a? What happens if a is equal to -1? Is that going to be too small? Because p of 2 is positive. I feel like if it's -1, it's going to be too small. P of 2? Well, what's the biggest value of p of 2 if a is a -1? The biggest value we can get for p of 2 is if we take everything else to be positive. We want it to make it big as possible, but the first term is -32. Plus 16, that's -16, plus 8 is -8, plus 4 is -4, plus 2 is -2, plus 1, which is -1, which is less than 11. So that means a is equal to 1. Okay, a being equal to 1, we have a positive 32. So I feel like b can't also be positive because 32 is already way bigger than 11. So let's prove that b cannot be 1. So if b equals 1, I'm going to argue that p of 2 is going to be too big. So what's the smallest possible value of p of 2? P of 2 is at least, we know a is 1, so it's positive 32. If b is 1, then it's positive 16. But then the smallest we can make p of 2 is if we take everything else to be negative. 32 plus 16 is 48, minus 8, 40, minus 4, 36, minus 2, 34, minus 1, that's 33, which is way bigger than 11. So b cannot be 1, b is -1. b is -1, we have 32 plus 32 minus 16, which is 16, which is still bigger than 11. So I feel like c must be negative. Let's prove it. If c is 1, then I can see that p of 2, what is the smallest I can make p of 2 if c is equal to 1? We have a is positive, b is negative, so that have to plus 8 because c is 1. But then the smallest that we can get is by taking everything else negative. 32 minus 16 is 16, plus 8 is 24, minus 4 is 20, minus 2 is 18, minus 1 is 17, which is bigger than 11. So c has to be equal to -1. Can you see how I'm guessing right now? The way that I'm guessing is based on what we have so far. Like we have a is 1, so that's 32. B is 1 minus 16 gives us 16. C is -1, so we minus another 8. We get to 8 now from the first three terms, which is too small. So I want the next term to increase the number. So I think D might be positive. So I can see that if D is -1, then I'm going to argue this is going to be too small. So this cannot be anything bigger than, we go A is 1, B is negative, C is negative, but the biggest that we can make this after taking D to be negative is +2 plus 1. So that's 32 minus 16 is 16 minus 8 is 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 2 plus 1 that gives us 7, which is too small. So D has to be equal to 1. Okay, what do we have? A is 1. 32 minus 16 minus 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 is bigger than 11. So what happens if E equals 1? I'm going to argue that is not going to work because P of 2 is at least 32 minus 16 minus 8. We know D is positive. If we assume E to be positive, even if we take F negative, that's going to be too big. So 32 minus 16, 16 minus 8 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14, minus 1, 13. It is too big. Okay, so E is negative 1. Now we can basically work out F by substituting. P of 2 is 32A, which is 32. B is negative, minus 16, minus, because C is negative, plus, because D is positive, E is negative, plus F. What is that? 32 minus 16 is 16, minus 8 is 8, plus 4 is 12, minus 2 is 10, so that's 10 plus F is 11. So F is equal to 1. Now we can work out P of 4. P of 4 is equal to, I'm just going to substitute it into that. The A times x to the fifth, A is 1 times 4 to the fifth. B is negative 1, so minus 1 times 4 to the fourth. C is negative 1, so minus 1 by 4 cubed. D is positive 1, so plus 1 times 4 squared. E is negative 1, so minus 1 times 4. F is 1, so plus 1. Okay. 4 to the power of 5, I believe that's 1024. Minus 4 to the power of 4, which is 256. Minus 4 to the power of 3, which is 64. Plus 4 squared, which is 16, minus 4 plus 1. Let's try and work that out. 1024 minus 256, that's 768. Minus 64 is 704. Plus 16 is 720. Minus 4 is 716. Plus 1. There we go. 717 is going to be our final answer to this question, and we are done.